The world is changing, not always for the better. So we need to change to make things better. Sustainability is our priority, and we're bringing it to life with make𝙘𝙝𝙗𝙗. We've always embraced change with world firsts, but new innovations are needed because making change for all of us will take all of us, and it starts in 3 core ways. Changing our culture means the open exchange of ideas, improving safety, sharing our knowledge, and building communities so our teams can unleash their potential. Groundbreaking products are in our DNA. We've created glass that reduces use of precious resources. We help keep people, and even birds, safer. And now, a new low-carbon glass to help reduce our impact on the planet. Changing the way we make our glass is also vital, reducing energy use, creating a more sustainable supply chain with our partners, or trialing new fuel sources altogether. We've been taking huge strides, but the small steps we all can make are just as important on our sustainability journey. Whether that's riding to work, a more inclusive environment, or giving back to local communities, we have an opportunity to make a difference in everything we make, everything we do, every day. Because we all have the power to make change.